Hey guys, this is Amar, and I hope you've been well. I hope you missed me because I did not post videos yesterday. So I know so many people wait for these videos, and since I did not post videos yesterday, you guys must have felt really a major void in your lives, right? So cool. So I'm back today. Thankfully, I'm alive and I'm back today, and we're going to post two videos, two thoughts of the days, and two poems, which the book I'm reading. So four videos today, right? In the next hour, 2 hours, there'll be four videos on the channel, which you can watch and hopefully feel something positive and learn something, right? So that's the whole idea. I'm also figuring how to plan the vlog. I've been planning for a while, but not been able to continue. But hopefully from next month onwards, I'll plan 10 to 15 vlogs a month. So let's see how that goes, right? I'm almost on a break from comedy because of the virus. I don't want to take a risk because I got the virus once, so I'm focusing on this channel. I'm focusing on my blog and the marketing consulting work that I do, which is confidential, so I can't talk about it anyway. I can talk about writing though. I can talk about my blog. I can talk about this channel. So all of that stuff and stuff we eat, life, whatever. So all of that is on. Cool. So the thought of the day, right? This thought is on education, and it's a funny and ironic thought. I love it. It's quite nice. And it says, I used to have a T-shirt at one point in my life, and that T-shirt says. That T-shirt said that I was born intelligent. Education ruined me. That's what that T-shirt said. And in a way, really think about the way education works in our schools and colleges. They don't teach us a lot of skills. They don't teach us a lot of things. Like they don't teach us how to start a business, for example, which is quite hard. Which is only something that you can do by doing it. That's the only way to learn how to start a business. If you want to start a business, no business school can really teach you that, because that's why most of the MBAs, 90% of the MBAs in the world end up in jobs rather than starting their own businesses, because business schools can't really teach how to start businesses. Some of the most successful entrepreneurs in the world are school or college dropouts. Think about people like Richard Branson, who's dropped out of school. Think about Bill Gates. He dropped out of college. Steve Jobs dropped out of college. Larry Ellison of Oracle dropped out of college. Some of the most successful people dropped out of school and college. Jeff Bezos didn't. He went to college and he studied. But a lot of successful people in the world dropped out of school and college and are highly successful right now. So school doesn't teach how to start a business. School doesn't teach how to express love. School doesn't teach what to say to someone who's dying. School doesn't teach a lot of things, right? So cool. So that's what the thought is, right? That the education has a lot of disadvantages. Especially school and college education does have a lot of disadvantages, and we are not at a point in society where we have figured out how to get over the disadvantages of schools and college. So that's the reason I'm writing my blog. That's the reason I'm writing my blog, where I'm trying to learn and teach life skills. So check out my blog. It is one of the best places on the internet. I promise you. Amarvani.blog. That's the name of the blog, and it's one of the finest and the most positive and happiest places on the internet. So I've started working on it since last year. This year I'm working on it. It has about 179 posts right now. I'm working on the 180th post, and every month I'm planning to write at least 10 posts per month, right? 14 posts for the rest of the year, 14 posts per month, so that by the end of the year I'll hit 250 posts, and every post is full of positivity, how to fight negative emotions, how to work on positive emotions. Cool. So that became like a promo for my blog. But the thought today is by Bertrand Russell. Bertrand Russell is one of the most famous writers in the world. I read a book by him, and it says, men are born ignorant, not stupid. Men are born ignorant, not stupid. So we were born ignorant. We don't know a lot of stuff. They are made stupid by education. He says men are born ignorant, not stupid. They are made stupid by education. That's largely the context, which I explained, that education does not teach us a lot of things. Education turns most of us in our society into robots who act like everybody else. They move from one system, which is school, to another system, which is college, to another system created by somebody else. So most people in the world move from one system created by somebody else to another system created by somebody else. School is a system created by somebody else. College is a system created by somebody else. Similarly, a company which somebody else runs is a system created by somebody else. So most people, 90% of people in the world, move from one system to another system to another system that is made by somebody. They never end up making a system of their own, because education does not teach that. Education does not teach questioning, a questioning mind. Education does not teach how to start a business, how to create a system which is your own, your rules. Education does not teach that. So I think this is one of the things that Bertrand Russell means here. The men are born ignorant, not stupid. They are made stupid by education. Alright, so the cure to that is to have an independent mind. Question everything. Question everything. Question anything that anybody says to you. Do not accept anything at face value. Question everything, and question things from a perspective of happiness. Something is only right. Something, be it marriage, be it a career, be it friendships, be it company of people. Something is only right if it makes you happy. Simple as that. That is the overarching rule of life. Anything that you want to do, or anything that you want to assess that if you should do or should not do, it is only right if it makes you happy, right? If it doesn't make you happy, it's not right for you. So question everything. Question everything that's meant for you. Question everything that meant in the society, but question everything, right? That's how we solve education. All right, cool guys. So that's one of the thoughts. We'll do another thought. So check that out as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.